Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's actually begin with the Bank Nifty and Nifty analysis. Now we'll go over what we discussed yesterday. I gave you a bullish view, but the market has gone down drastically today. Now before we start, I want you to give me like 500 likes on this video because I'm going to tell you, like, in spite of having a bullish view, what did I look at, because I shorted the market after that, and finally I ended with a very good day today. So what did we do? Let's actually dive into it. Now सबसे पहले मुझे क्या लग रहा है? What did I see? I see an inside candle forming. Inside candle forming means what? Basically we have to wait for a breakout or breakdown. We are not getting that. Okay, now here we need a proper closing either below this or above this. This means what? The level comes up to 52,300, 52,300 on upside and 5,800 on the downside. Okay, 5,800 yesterday also we discussed. It was a lower high. I remember. Okay, so weekly candle, we need to go outside this range for us to get a trending move. Now daily chart, what can we see? Daily chart, first let's actually mark the support and resistance. So you know what are we doing? We are basically moving inside this range, inside the support resistance. Okay, so from a larger time frame perspective, we are not getting a trending move. So what happens usually? We get one move, after that Bank Nifty goes down, one good trending move, then Bank Nifty will come down, sort of thing we are getting. I actually am waiting for Bank Nifty to get outside this range. This range means 50 to 600 on the upside, and आपको ये lower low दिख रहा है? Okay, so if you see these lows, they are shifting higher and higher. Okay, so I need a lower high, lower low kind of structure. Okay, so whenever this happens, I can probably go short. So I'm waiting daily chart पे I need a closing below 50,800. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके नीचे मुझे लोअर हाई लोअर लो स्ट्रक्चर मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो मैं उसके लिए रुका हूं. नाउ एक्चुअली लेट मी ड्रॉ लाइन वेयर वी डिस्कस्ड मार्केट इज गोइंग टू बी बुलिश yesterday. So that was pretty much around 51,800. Okay, after that bullish view means what? Basically people like me, what they do, we sell put options, we go future long sort of thing. Okay, that's all we do. So like when we sell put options, this one gap up, actually the decay is tremendous for us, like especially in the third candle. So by then my options had decayed a lot. Now when I'm backtesting, like now over the last month, I've actually found out that, let's say for example, you're selling an option at 50 rupees. Now many times what we do, we want this to go to zero. Currently what I'm facing, I'm facing this 50 will go to 20. I'll be in awesome profits and then it will reverse. Okay, so by the time if I trail my option, it comes back at 50 and probably I then don't get anything, which is not cool by me. So to counter this, what are we doing now? So we start to book profits. For example, like we take a bullish view here and then market when we get up, so we are booking that profit, which means my yesterday's bullish view has worked, at least for me. Probably not for anyone else, but for me it did work. Why am I shorting, okay, today? So you see this kind of range. This range Bank Nifty broke down, okay? And also yesterday we discussed Bank Nifty will take support near 51,400. Below that we need to look for a breakdown, which again we have gotten here in this candle. Very good candle, okay, for a breakdown. Again a very good candle here as well. Cool. So these two things are very good, at least for short kind of trades. Okay, so these are actually some reasons based on technicals that we have shorted the market. Nikita actually traded really well today and we ended up with a decent profit today. Now for tomorrow, what do we discuss? Okay, so first thing is for tomorrow, let me see the option chain. Option chain for tomorrow, like exactly yesterday, what did we saw? We saw call unwinding and put writing ITM. Now anyone who added their positions yesterday, probably this means that they have cut off today. Okay, so they've been trapped. Okay, for example, anyone who tried to buy here, they're all trapped now, which means they are going to cover their longs. Longs covering matlab market will go down, or in better words, probably the market won't go up, which means people like me, what are we going to do? We are going to target these call options. Okay, these any call option, basically 51,700 and above. Cool. So like people, option sellers like me, will expect these calls to go to zero for tomorrow, and this is being supported with OI also. So actually, even in my technicals, I remember I always tell you, especially after such kind of a day, if we gap down, no, actually I'm not interested in shorting fresh, because जैसे कल देखो ये पुट ऑप्शन सेलर्स को जो जिन्होंने सेल करके गए ओवरनाइट, उनको ओपनिंग पे एंड ये जब ऊपर गया ना, तभी दे ऑलरेडी हैड अ डैम गुड प्रॉफिट. सो व्हाट दे टेंड टू डू, दे बुक देयर प्रॉफिट्स दैट टाइम. So similarly speaking, tomorrow, actually let's discuss the gap up, gap down and flat scenarios. So first thing is, let's assume market opens flat. Okay. Now what are we going to do? We are going to trade in this range. Wherever the market breaks out, if it breaks out on the upside, actually I'm not interested in playing too much long trades. Okay. I think if it goes up, eventually I'll try to find a pattern and short it again so that it comes down. Something like this. In what sense am I looking to short? I need the market to open flat, spend some time and then give me a breakdown. When it does this, I automatically know मेरा जो कल का एनालिसिस था वो करेक्ट है, मार्केट फ्लैट भी ओपन हुआ है, ओके, एंड देयर इज बिकॉज फ्लैट खुला है तो देन देयर इज पोटेंशियल फॉर अ डाउन मूव देन. और दो सिनेरियो एक्चुअली वी नीड टू डिस्कस, टू मोर. एक तो बहुत ही नीचे खुल जाता है, ओके, मान लो बहुत नीचे खुल जाता है, तो जिसने भी शॉर्ट किया होगा उसको तो प्रॉफिट मिला होगा ना. मतलब लॉजिकली सोचो, आपने शॉर्ट किया है, आपको प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है. थिंक साइकोलॉजिकली, व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू? You'll probably book your profits, right? Because thoda bhi like market goes against you, either you know it's one of the biggest profits you've made, either you're not paying profits since a long time, you want to book it, something like that. People tend to book their profits very quickly. Okay, so we also probably want to do the same, because then we've seen market when it tries to go up after a gap down, then it will probably, this will become a swing low for it. Okay, and then when it come up, it will test this closing and this becomes a swing high. So market will get trapped inside this range. That's what most of the time happens. Gap up hua to what are we going to do? If it's a very big gap up, I'm going to mark the first 15-minute high-low range. Then I'll see where it breaks out. If it's breaking out on the upside, I'll book all my losses and calls. Downside, I'll hold my calls because that's what I want. Cool? Okay, so coming to Nifty abhi, Nifty mein mujhe kya dikh raha hai? Mujhe dikh raha hai ki continuous fall is there in Nifty. Is it good? Actually, let's see. So fall and then pause followed by a fall, fall and then pause followed by currently a fall. So I want this support zone of 23,880 to be taken down. So below this, actually market for me ultra bearish for me below this. So tomorrow I would love a weekly closing below that. Okay? I'm waiting for that. Daily chart, what can we see? We can see some support, okay, at 23,800 and we are seeing a big resistance near 24,500. Very simple. Now whoever shorted inside this range, they'll cover their shorts above 24,500 actually. Okay, because here is the resistance. So above the resistance, they'll cut their short, which means we can go long above 24,500. Uske pehle, you can't go long here anywhere. Matlab, proper long, I mean selling puts aggressively, selling like actually buying futures aggressively, you can't do it without that. Cool. So for tomorrow, what am I expecting? See, Nifty actually, like I would actually like it to either open flat or a gap down. I would like this to happen because like 23,800 is an important support. तो मैंने बहुत बार देखा actually अगर बहुत टूट ही नहीं रहा है कोई support or resistance, market breaks it with a gap. Okay? If the support or resistance is not breaking, let's see if this happens or not. But for now, where can we find the resistance? We can find a resistance near 24,100. See, we were taking supports here. This was a support, support and support. Now this will turn into a resistance. So 24,100 is a resistance. Now what will happen if you open flat? If you open flat and go up, I'm not interested. I actually think it will be inside today's range only. If we open flat and break the first 15-minute candle low, then I am probably expecting a down move. So whatever calls I've sold, I'll probably be rolling them down throughout the day then tomorrow. And after a certain profit percentage, I'll book it. What will I do if market gaps up? If market gaps up, first 15-minute high low I'm going to mark. Okay, uske upar I'm going to cut my losses in my calls. Below this, I'll hold my calls. And on a gap down, actually we need to see, gap down how it is performing. Because like we'll be breaking a proper important support. So whenever a support or resistance breaks, if it's powerful in nature, बहुत बार इंट्राडे में बहुत बड़ी मूवमेंट आती है उसके बाद. Like for example, if it breaks support on the downside and continues it, like for example, it's giving a ORB breakdown also tomorrow, then मतलब potential बहुत ज़्यादा है then उसका नीचे जाने का. So when it comes down, if it falls with a very big gap down, then the first 15-minute high low or first 30-minute range you can mark and you can trade outside this range. Okay. So for tomorrow, keep in mind, okay, so currently whatever option you sell, for example, you're selling something for 30 rupees, don't expect this to go to 0. You can expect this to go to 15 or 10. Okay. After this, the risk reward becomes pathetic to keep holding this option. So try to de-risk whenever you get good profits in the current market. Now, till when and how long are we going to do this? Very simple actually. Bank Nifty, 52,500 on the upside or 50,000 on the downside. Whenever this range breaks, you are going to stop doing this then. Okay. For now, it's a sideways market. And sideways market demands us to play differently than we do in directional market. So that's it, I think, for aaj ke video ke liye. So keep in mind whatever we are discussing. Okay, the lows are still, the structure is bullish. If the structure becomes bearish, then it will be awesome for us. And me personally, what do I want to happen? I want the market to like break the screen and go down because I have not invested my money. So I need to invest it. Hopefully market crashes. Okay. So I'm just telling you because it's not going to affect me if it goes down. Like मेरा कोई ऐसा collateral वगैरह ज़्यादा नहीं है कुछ वैसे. That's it for this video, I guess. And don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, we are targeting 500 likes on this video. If it works, probably like I'll cover more in depth tomorrow. Okay, we'll see you very soon. Bye bye.